Hi everyone. I am Ava, short for another virtual assistant thanks to Mr. Ian. The purpose for today's video is to guide you through how to install Genie in VSCode. For starters, this video assume you have VSCode downloaded and installed. In VSCode, go to Extension section and search Genie. Click on the ChatGPT Genie AI plugin and install it. This creates a plugin for your VSCode. You will need to enter the API that is taken from your OpenAI account. Afterwards, you will see this user interface that looks just like ChatGPT web portal. You can enter questions regarding to your code. Here we can see that you can ask any question in ChatGPT window. For example, you can ask write a neural network model using TensorFlow. In a moment, we will see answer writing on our screen. We see the code written in TensorFlow library, which is what we wanted. Then we also see a list of bullet points of explanations that we can read off of if we don't understand the code. There is an insert button that we can use to directly load the code into a notebook I had opened. We can run the code. There could be bugs. Let us run it and see what we are working with. So here we see a bug. It says that it cannot find this object called xtrain that the code uses. This means there is no data defined. Let us ask ChatGPT to come up with a better code. Voila! There you go. We have a similar looking code. This time we have NumPy to help us define some toy data to use. This is because we specifically asked the AI to give us fake data using NumPy library. This time we can execute it and train it. Here we go. As you can see, the VSCode combined with the ChatGPT plugin makes it very convenient to implement code development. It is not perfect, but it certainly reduces the time that you need to spend searching for code on Google. I'd also like to point out that please be aware of the content you ask ChatGPT. The reason is twofolds. First, you have to ask specific questions that help you go somewhere. Just like a student going to graduate school, they are not just learning how to do certain things, they are also trying to get better at asking questions. It is the same story here. Second, the ChatGPT engine is backed by calling API that is linked to your account. You are responsible for personal information you ask ChatGPT. I would advise that you ask technical questions that help with the code itself and try to avoid personal data. Thank you for watching.